Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. As you can see here at bbqdistro.com, we have a lot of stuff going on, but one thing we're excited about is the month of October because we have the top 10 barbecue joint in the world out of Fort Worth, Texas. Who could it be? Who is the month of October? None other than Chris and Ernie from Panther City BBQ, Southside Fort Worth. So, you're asking yourself, what is bbqdistro.com? What is Panther City doing with us in the month of October? They are part of our backyard monthly subscription box. What you get is a rub and a sauce. You get 2 recipes from them, and you get a live Q&A. So guess what? You get to go right now to bbqdistro.com to sign up and to have a wonderful time with Chris and Ernie. So again, bbqdistro.com. Sign up today for the month of October. See you soon.